Hey, what's up, guys? So today, I was thinking about something. We use our CNC machine to cut art into wood or make signs, but have we ever used it for something different? So I'm trying to put some decorative molding going up the steps to my attic. I just got done putting some drywall down, and I was like, what can I put there? So obviously on the step, you have the lip of the step that sticks out. So I cut a couple test pieces with like my saws and stuff like that. And I was like, I wonder if I could use the CNC and have it act like a bandsaw. So quick little video I shot of me doing it. Disclaimer, kids, don't try this at home because the wood can jump pretty quickly. So curious if anyone's ever used their CNC for anything other than telling it what to do based off of G code. Have you ever used it to do anything different? So let me know in the comments and check the video out. So let me know what you think.